Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Cover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install Photoshop to your MacBook. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. Open the browser, type here Photoshop, then go on Adobe website, go trial version of Photoshop. You can just use it 7 days for free, and if you're gonna cancel it, it's not going to charge anything. It means this is the best option to use Photoshop for free for the first time to test it. You can see it's going to charge 0. When I just continue up here, it's just going to ask me to fill up the boxes with my card number. Once I done that, I'm just going to subscribe on it, and you can see I got it. Now time to install the Photoshop, and let me show how we can do this. Start using, tap on it. Once got this page, you can see it's just going to ask you to allow the download in your browser, then go check out for downloads. Now wait a few minutes until you get this set up. Just double tap to open and install to your MacBook. Just click on open. Now you can see it's just asking me to install the Adobe Creative Cloud, and it's going to ask me the password of my MacBook. When I just end that, it's just continue to install the Creative Cloud, and after that it's going to install the Photoshop. So let's go ahead to wait and just let's see how we can do this. After you got the Creative Cloud installed to your MacBook, you will get this page, and just click on no thanks and continue up to find out the apps, and you will get the Photoshop. As you can see, Photoshop is installed now to my MacBook. I have to wait for it. So let's go ahead to check for the result. And Photoshop has been installed to my MacBook. I'm just going to open it and I want to test it. As you can see, Photoshop has been opened in my MacBook, and this is cool and completely free for me now. I can use it. So this is all about how to use Photoshop for free in your MacBook. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next week tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.